This order from Jersey Mike's is $16.50, but I have 5 methods that I used on this one transaction to get it down to $10.43. So we had a savings of 36% on this one transaction. Let me show you how to do it. First, I have a American Express offer to get $5 back when you use your American Express card. You have to actually add this offer to your card. You have to spend $15 and you'll get $5 back. You can do this 5 times. Also, since I use my American Express card, I'm going to get 17 points. American Express seems to round up their points. So those 17 points are going to be worth 17 cents. We're going to move on to an app. We're going to scan the receipt with coin out, take a picture. I'm going to get 50 points. I am like a platinum member or whatever, so I get a little bit more points for my receipts. But those 50 points are going to be worth 5 cents. Moving on to my next app. If you want to sign up for any of these apps, please use my link in the description below. You'll get a little bit of reward. I'll get a little bit of reward. This only takes a little bit, so check out those descriptions below. We're going to use Fetch Rewards. We're going to scan the receipt again, and we're going to get 25 points. And those 25 points, the way I use it, I'm going to be redeeming it for the most economical food place. So maybe Buffalo Wild Wings, and for a $25 gift card, I only need 25,000 points rather than, like, let's say 27,000. Some of the other ones are different. So those 25 points for me are going to be worth 2 cents. And then now we move on to Upside. I'm going to get this percent back from this purchase, getting 83 cents back from Upside because usually I use it for gas and I just scan a receipt or my card is linked to it and it just search the transaction later on. But this one, we bought a gift card through Get Upside for Jersey Mike's. So this messed us up. So we're not actually getting that American Express $5 back. So make sure you read the details and focus on getting the cash back that's the most. So in this instance, I would have not used Upside and just went through the store. But make sure you read it. But some of the restaurants, you don't buy gift cards. You would just scan your receipt to Upside, or Upside will look at your transactions on your card to give you the cash back. But another easy one to use, and Upside is really great for gas. That is how they started. So check out Upside. So I use all 5 of these methods I would have gotten 36% back, but since that little mishap, we're getting 6.4% back, which is better than 0. Check out the links in the description below. It helps me out. It helps you out. You get some sign-on bonus, and I'll get a little bit. And I appreciate it if you are interested in using those links. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I have a lot of videos on my channel. It would be great if you check them out sometime, or check them out now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, y'all.